Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix error for WhatsApp virtual number. So guys, if you ever encounter any error on WhatsApp, just simply go ahead and go for the Google Play Store into your device. And then now from here, just simply tap on the search icon on the bottom at the middle and go for the search bar at the top and search for WhatsApp. And guys, from here, just simply go for the WhatsApp. And when WhatsApp have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So for the first solution is make sure you are running the latest version of the app and just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update. So now for the next option that you have, just simply hold tap the application and go for the app info over here. And now from here, just simply go for the storage over here. And now just simply tap on clear cache. And now guys, once you have done that, you should be able to fix the issue. And now for the next option that you have is just simply go ahead and reinstall the application in their device. So just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall over here and just simply reinstall it back into your phone. And now the last option that you have is just simply go open up the WhatsApp. And from here, just simply tap on agree and continue. And guys, make sure you have the right country for your virtual number and make sure your area code is correct as well over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.